everyone, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now the one that I've ordered is the green one, and initially this item was supposed to arrive on Friday, but during the weekend I got an email from Samsung saying they're going to get it into my hands 5 days earlier, so result for me. Right, without further ado, let's get unboxing. Right, this is the first time I've ever owned a Samsung Galaxy. I'm usually an iPhone man myself. Let's agree to all of this and set up the phone. Screen is nice and big. It's got your curved edges as well. Not really used to it with iPhones. Let me just put in my Wi-Fi password quickly. Right, that's done. Am I going to need to put my SIM card in? Okay, restart the phone. Initial impressions. I am a fan of this green color. It's a nice matte effect. Got your screen protector on as well. I'll probably take that off in a bit. Also got your S Pen. Now I think this is the first time Samsung Galaxy the S series has got one. Usually Samsung Notes are the ones that come with an S Pen, so that's quite nice. So the one that I got was a 128GB version, I think, with 8GB of RAM. I'm liking the hole punch into the screen as well. I think Apple are gonna use that feature for the new iPhone 14. Let's skip all this nonsense. Accept. Search engine Google. I used to Safari with iPhone, but let's go ahead anyway, skip. I think this has a fingerprint sensor in it, but I'm not entirely sure. Never really used one of these. Let's take off the back peel. There you are, that's the green. Up close and personal. You've got 3 cameras, 5 cameras actually. Getting your phone ready. Let's wait for this. Not much in the phone in terms of packaging wise. You get this, you get your SIM card opener, and you get a USB-C cable. No plugs. They're copying Apple by removing plugs from the packaging, but if you see the size of the actual box, it's really slim. Messed up the seal there, so that's quite annoying, but not much we can do about that. So this is the home screen. Everything here is basically going to be brand new to me. Never really used the Samsung. Tap for weather information, agree. Got all your apps. Why isn't that appearing? Okay, so that should be appearing on the home screen. Got a few updates. Screen is quite nice. I think it's a 6.7-inch display. Smoothness, it is quite fast if I'm honest. So this is our menu. Swipe, Netflix. I'll do a speed test as well with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. But yeah, that's the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll compare it with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so we'll see how they look in terms of size. Also, initial impressions on the weight. This phone is very light compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is much larger, but somehow the phone is very light. So here we've got the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S22. So if I move this away, this is the size comparison. And so this is the size comparison between both phones. Thickness, the back. I am quite a big fan of the back of the Galaxy S22, to be fair. Color wise as well, it's quite nice. Initially opted for the burgundy one, but changed my mind and went for green instead. Yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video, which should be a camera test and a speed test.